Hello, welcome to another LinkedIn ads video. Today we're talking about LinkedIn text ads. Text ads are one of my favorite formats, and it's the most underused ad format out there, just because people don't really understand how to do them, if they're any good, and all this kind of stuff. So this video is going to show you exactly how to do them really well and why they're one of my favorite formats. And because, let's just dive right in. The two main things that you need to take into consideration when you're looking at text ads are the fact they're really high. The click rate's really, really low at 0.02 to 0.03%. That means for every 1,000 impressions, roughly for every 1,000 impressions, 2 to 3 people will click, which is really low. So you're not going to get much volume from text ads. And the reason why the click rate is so low is because text ads are basically these right rail ad format with this tiny little photograph. It looks like an ad. It's on the right rail, which basically means that it just doesn't really get that much eyeballs. It's definitely not prime real estate. The prime real estate sponsor content right in the middle. But you get this one by one photograph plus a few characters on the side. So there's not much really to communicate with, not much picture, not much words or characters. So it just really doesn't have a high click rate. But the great thing about them, the second point, is that it will be the lowest cost per click you're going to get on the platform. And it's a great thing to run in the background, because even I'm going to jump into the, exactly campaign manager and show you this, but it's an incredible way to bring down your average cost per click or average cost on the platform. It's just having retargeting plus top of funnel text ads running in the background, just constantly running, because they are just really good. So let's jump in and I'm just going to show you an example. So right here, I have some text ads running for a client, and let's just have a look. So we've got, with this one, we spent £431, 198 conversions for only £2.18 a conversion. And here we have £259, 158 conversions, and £1.64. This is like Facebook prices, but targeting these super, super high quality individuals. So, Facebook, you get the lower quality leads. With LinkedIn, you get these, you can really target like the managing directors, VP of marketing, CEOs of bigger companies. And we're getting the click, sending them to our landing pages or opt-in forms for 164 to 218. And here you can see, this is pretty much what we get every single time, 0.02% or 0.03%, and that's the click-through rate. And remember, that's for every 1,000 impressions, 2 or 3 people click through. And it's just, the CPMs are just so low, 0.34 pennies, point and a half a penny there. So, and the average cost per click, we got that already. So yeah, these are the kind of pretty standard results you're going to get with text ads. So just run them in the background. As you can see, it's hard to spend a lot of money with them, but if you try to, set up a bunch of retargeting campaigns and a lot of different top of funnel cold targeting ones, then you'll be able to spend some kind of budget of them. And it's just a really low cost way. If you're not looking for a huge amount of traffic or a huge amount of leads, then this could be just a great strategy to go for if you have a really low budget. But I would normally say have this as just running in the background as a supplement to your main strategy. But yeah, basically to go into more detail about the text ads, text ads require 100 by 100 pixels. So just one by one, it's a really small picture. What I recommend for the picture, and you can A/B test for yourself but basically the difference between a face and like the logo, I find every time I'll always A/B test this, and nearly, I don't know exactly the percent, but most of the time the face wins over the logo. So if you're just going to do one creative for this, just get a good headshot like this, and generally speaking it just draws the eye more, and the image is always to draw the eye in and the copy is to sell the click. So I would always recommend having a face over a logo, but try A/B test both. It's really simple to put it in the campaign manager, both of those. And basically you can have 25 characters for the headline, and the headline is, let's put my face down here, the headline is this top bit over here. So you have 25 characters, not very much. And we have 75 characters for the body. So for this part here, so there's not much at all. And you have they put apply now as a call to action. I think that's quite cool to do that. It looks like you can click on that, but you can't. Sign up now. That's quite cool. And basically they only work with sending people off from the platform, so you can't attach a lead gen form to them. There's just not enough space. So you can it only works for sending to like an opt-in page or a sales page, which is really, really great. So that's the main strategy around them, and this is how you do them. So I hope this was helpful. Definitely do text ads. And in the meantime, if this was helpful, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button. It really helps the channel out. And for now, see you guys soon.